Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. I'm Sharon Holt, the author of Te Reo Singalong books, and I wanted you to be the first to know that we've got some sample copies that have arrived, so I thought maybe you'd like to hear a little bit of the song for our new book, Te Kāhui or Matariki, about the Matariki star cluster. So this one's all about how the environment is linked to the 9 stars of Matariki, so I'll hold the pages open and play you a little bit of the song.
Titiro kirunga, titiro kirunga, whakarongo ki te tario. Ko ai te kāhui, petu kirunga. Ko ai te kāhui, petu kirunga. Ko Matariki, e tohu o te matahi o te tau. Titiro kirunga, whakarongo ki te taiao. Ko ai te petu e hono ana. I a Matariki ki te hunga mate. Ko pohutu kawa e tohu o te matahi o te tau.
One more page.
Titiro kirunga, whakarongo ki te taiao. Ko ai te petu e hono ana. Ki ngā kai tupu ana i te whenua. Ko tupu anuku he tohu o te matahi o te tau.
So that's a little bit of it, and then we go on to talk about the star tupuarangi, about the things that grow in the sky, and then waiti, about fresh water and the freshwater eels, and waita, about the seawater and the kaimoana, and the star waipunarangi, which is about the rains, the water that pools in the sky. And what else have we got here? I'm trying to read upside down. Oh, of course, ururangi, about the wind. I love this page. Beautiful illustrations, aren't they, by Stephanie Thatcher. And then hiwa i te rangi, which is a beautiful one about our hopes and aspirations for the future. And then Matariki, of course, is the name of the of the cluster, and also the name of the biggest star in the cluster. And Matariki is all about health and well-being. And I wonder if, as you've seen some of these pages, you've spotted something different to all of our other books. If you have, I'd love to hear from you about that. I'm sure you'll be looking forward to your own copy. Remember to pre-order, they're available for pre-order, and we'll have them out in the first week or 2 of May, but you need to use the special link that you see here to pre-order, because you can't just see it already on the website. Ka kite.